Right now, two people are sitting at their computers. One of them just landed a $10,000 freelance gig, thanks to AI. The other one, they just found out their job no longer exists. Same technology, totally different outcomes. Which one are you going to be in 2026? Today we're going to get real about AI. No hype, no fear-mongering, just facts, real examples, and a free roadmap you can start today. Let's start with something that might surprise you. AI isn't coming for your job. In most cases, it's already here. According to the World Economic Forum's 2025 Future of Jobs report, 22% of current jobs will be disrupted by AI by the end of 2026. But here's the part they don't put in the headlines. The same report says AI will create 97 million new jobs globally. So it's not destruction, it's a trade. The question is, are you on the right side of that trade? Think of it like the internet in the late 90s. It wiped out travel agents, video rental stores, phone book companies, but it also created web developers, digital marketers, e-commerce entrepreneurs, and eventually, YouTubers. AI is the internet moment of the 2020s, and you're watching this video at exactly the right time. Okay, let's talk about the uncomfortable part first. What's actually going away? Companies like Klarna replaced 700 customer service reps with AI in 2024. The AI handles 75% of all customer chats. Same quality, instant replies 24/7. That's not a future threat. That already happened. Getty Images and Shutterstock both launched AI generation tools. Fiverr saw a 17% drop in orders for basic logo design in 2024. Tools like Midjourney and DALL E3 can produce a decent logo in 10 seconds. Marketing teams that used to hire 3 junior writers now hire 1 senior writer plus ChatGPT. The junior positions, gone. Not because companies are evil, because the economics changed. AI tools like GitHub Copilot and Devin can now catch bugs, write test cases, and review code. Entry-level QA jobs at big tech companies dropped 30% in 2024. Google's Duplex and tools like Bland AI can now handle full phone conversations, booking appointments, answering FAQs, even complaints. One U.S. insurance company reduced call center staff by 40% in 1 year. Now, I want to be clear, these jobs aren't all gone overnight, and many people in these fields are adapting. But if you're in one of these areas and you're not learning AI skills, you're running out of time. The pattern is always the same. AI handles the routine. Humans handle the complex, creative, and relational. All right, enough doom. Let's talk about the money side. Companies are paying $60,000 to $130,000 per year for people who know how to talk to AI systems. Your job, write the instructions that make AI tools do exactly what a business needs. No coding required for most roles. This is the evolved version of a content writer. You use AI to produce 10 times more content, but you provide the strategy, the brand voice, the human angle. Salary range, $55,000 to $100,000. Someone has to teach AI models what's right and wrong. Companies like Scale AI and Rima Tasks pay $15 to $50 per hour for this work, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. Small businesses desperately need someone to help them automate their workflows using tools like Zapier, Make, and N8EN plus AI. Freelancers in this space are charging $500 to $3,000 per project. Tools like HeyGen, Runway, and 11 Labs let one person create full video productions that used to require a team of 10. Creators using these tools are already making $5,000 to $20,000 per month on YouTube and for brand deals. New EU AI Act regulations require companies to have someone responsible for AI fairness and safety. This role barely existed 2 years ago. Now it pays $90,000 to $150,000 in Europe and the US. See the pattern? The new jobs aren't about replacing humans with machines. They're about humans who understand machines well enough to direct them. You don't need a computer science degree. You need curiosity, adaptability, and the willingness to learn fast. Before we close, I want to address the fear, because I know some of you are watching this and feeling anxious. Here's the truth. AI anxiety is real, and it's okay to feel it. But here's what I want you to remember. Every major technology shift in history created more jobs than it destroyed. Eventually. The key word is eventually. The people who got hurt were the ones who waited too long to adapt. You're not going to be replaced by AI. You're going to be replaced by a person who knows how to use AI. That's the real competition. So the mindset shift is simple. Stop seeing AI as a threat to your career and start seeing it as the most powerful tool ever handed to an average person. For the first time in history, a solo creator, a freelancer, a small business owner, you can compete with companies 100 times your size. That's not scary. That's the opportunity of a lifetime. Okay, let's wrap this up with action steps. Right now, before you close this video, do one of these 3 things. Go to chatgpt.com right now and type, "Help me understand how AI is changing my industry." Just do it. 5 minutes, drop a comment below. What's your job and what do you think AI will do to it? I read every single one, and I might feature your answer in the next video. Subscribe and share this with someone who needs to hear it, because knowledge is the only thing that doesn't run out when you give it away. I'll see you in the next one.